Welcome to my video. What are private label rights articles? This is a Resell Rights Vault video. If you have ever heard about internet marketing, you know that content is everything. This applies even when you are on the internet and are heavily working on ensuring you get exactly what you need worked out when you need it worked out. For example, if you need content for your web pages every day, it could be a real hassle trying to update everything yourself. After all, don't you have a life to attend to? Things like this make private label rights articles a fabulous creation, but you need to know and understand what they really are in order to actually get the best usage out of them. The best thing that private label rights articles can offer you is content that you are personally allowed to put your name on, all without actually writing the content. This means that you are allowed to easily boost the content on your website or even used in your marketing plan without having to spend days, weeks, or even months writing all of the content yourself. Another heavy advantage is that frequently you are permitted to modify private label rights articles for your own personal needs. It is extremely important to ensure that you have the ability to modify the articles before you do modify them, though. Many times private label rights articles will not include the permissions necessary to modify them. However, there are plenty of others that will afford you this freedom. It is important to simply read the contract and copyright from the location where you are obtaining the articles to ensure that you are properly following all of the directions. Private label rights articles also include the necessary permissions to sell the articles again. This means that you are permitted to resell the articles to anyone you wish, as long as you only sell usage rights, and assuming you are properly following the guidelines for pricing that you will need to agree to in order to actually publish or sell the articles. For the majority of people looking to make money on the internet, a venture into private label rights articles will be unnecessary. However, for people who have the appropriate needs for the articles, they can be a great way to locate fresh content that is updated continuously, all at an affordable price and also at a time frame that you can work with. For those times when you are unable to update your own website when normally using your own personalized content, you will also find that a private label rights distributor makes a great solution to your problems. With all of the benefits that private label rights articles provide, you will notice that it is a great ability to be able to quickly find these articles. Though it is also extremely important to ensure that you are actually working with private label rights articles, rather than articles that include master resell rights. While the two copyright terms are extremely similar, they are also quite different, which can create a problem if you are unsure of what you are looking for. The overall ability to use private label rights articles for a wide range of uses makes them extremely popular. The ability to easily track them down online also makes them extremely popular. As long as you are actually getting what you purchase, you will no doubt notice that they are extremely useful for all of your needs. Rather than stressing out over how to create specific pieces of content, you will be able to easily ensure you are getting everything that you need without wasting time on useless articles. With the ability to turn around and resell the articles, private label rights articles can make a great way to get content for your website, as well as also ensure that you are able to pick up a few additional dollars along the way. For all of the benefits that private label rights articles offer, you will be hard-pressed to find a better solution for your needs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified.